Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Okay guys, we are about to experiment with our new suspension bridge. John, do me a favor, drive this up to there and I'll take it from there, or just video. I'll just video. No, I need to be the first one across it. All right, so you got the chains up there. They come down to these wires and there's your bridge. Nice and bouncy, just what exactly what I was hoping for. Come on, John, bring it up here. We are almost ready. We're actually getting ready for a little crawl in a couple weeks, but this Saturday we're actually doing a little Easter crawl. So I was trying to get this bridge ready for the Easter crawl. Here comes John around in the corner. All right, give me the remote. I'll be the first one across. Here, go ahead and take the camera. Oh, you touched my bridge. It's no longer a virgin. Look how it bounces. I love it. Mandy. Not quite done over here yet, but I think I can still get down. There she is. That is cool. All right, one more time just for the video. John, get over here so the sun's not in the way. Get a shot up under it, John. Go under. Oh, I was watching the camera. I wouldn't watch where I was going. I like how it actually sways. This is freaking awesome.
That's cool.
All right, BBC Outdoors, what do you think of that? Leave me a message in your comments, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.